Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate NetSpend All-Access Prepaid Account for direct deposit. Step by step clearly. To activate your NetSpend All-Access Prepaid Account for direct deposit, start by ensuring you have your NetSpend card ready. Visit the official NetSpend website. Click on the Sign Up or Activate button, typically found on the homepage. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the section for direct deposit setup. Locate the direct deposit option in the account settings. Follow the prompts to enter your employer's payment information. Fill in your details such as your employer's name, address, and any required identification numbers. You will need to provide your NetSpend account number and routing number. You can find these numbers in your account details or on the back of your debit card. Make sure all information is accurate to avoid any issues with your deposit. After entering all required information, review it for any discrepancies. Submit your direct deposit request. Check for a confirmation message indicating that your request has been received. It may take a few days for your direct deposit to be activated. Contact customer service if you encounter any issues during the activation process. Once activated, monitor your account for deposits from your employer. If you do not see your deposit after the expected timeframe, reach out to your employer to confirm they have processed it. Your NetSpend All-Access Prepaid Account is now ready to receive direct deposits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.